So you can see my brake light is burnt out. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light bulb. I'm driving a 2007 Toyota Camry. The brake light bulbs, you can go to the store, you can look it up. You can look this up online too to see what number it is. This is the brake light bulb. So mine is a 7443. And it comes in a 2-pack. So this is what the bulb looks like. And let's climb in the trunk and I'll show you how to replace it. It's on the driver's side that mine's burnt out. So you want to come on this side. So in this corner, you'll see this little flap that you can open up. And you have 2 bulbs. Bottom one is your brake light. And it's kind of locked in place there. So you want to turn it just a little bit. You can pull it out. And there's the burnt out bulb. You just pull it. And if you didn't know the make of the bulb or the number that you need to replace on, if you actually pull this out, you can actually look and there is a number. So this is 5 watts. It's a 7443. No idea if you can see that on the camera. You can see this bulb is burnt out. So I'll take the new bulb, which is also a 7443. Push that back in. Stick it back in the housing. Line up these little tabs there. I'm gonna line those up and then give it a little twist. Lock it back in place, and then you can close up that. So now climb back out of the trunk. Push on the brake.